Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're in the world. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another Quant update. We haven't talked a lot about the Quant price chart in recent weeks because the Quant price chart hasn't been doing much already. I mean, it has been stuck in a range. So we'll look at the price chart one more time because I feel like there is a lot of volatility that is going to show up in the market, especially this week that we have got the CPI numbers being reported today on the 18th of December, and we also have got the Fed meeting coming tomorrow. So these events are events that can actually move the market. We have actually seen in recent times that whenever we have these events showing up on the calendar, the market, has got some volatility or crazy volatility, right? So we want to look at the price chart one more time and try to figure out what exactly is the price chart communicating with us. How far have we advanced with our structures right here? We'll also take a look at the price chart to see if there is any developing pattern there, and short-term price targets, as well as the bigger picture here on the Quant price chart. So before I get into today's content, I just want to kindly ask you to help me spread this video by tapping the like button, because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. People looking for Quant content will now be able to find this video much more easily. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel just yet, I would encourage you to do so, really, because I do TA on Quant on a regular basis. And with that being said, let me not run my mouth too much right here. So we were monitoring these structures here. We took these fractals from the cardinal price chart and from the total 2 back then in 2018 to 2020 when the pandemic started right here. So these structures, they mark the very bottom of these structures right here. They are wide accumulation structures here with your preliminary support right here, your selling climax, your auto rally, secondary test, and your spring, and then finally it's off to the races, right? So we were anticipating something like that happen here with the Quant price chart, and as you can see with these structures, we were going 1:1 until in recent days where we actually have deviated from those structures right here. Let me show you what the total 2 fractal was also doing right here. You can actually see that it's basically the same thing right here. So I was expecting a spring moment to show up right here, and yeah, it didn't show up really because I was expecting this moment to be a deeper spring, but we had a shallow one. So we could still be following these fractals right here, because if you want to, let me go ahead and clear these things right here because maybe they're actually confusing, right? So yes, we'll put them down below there, right? So you could actually say that this is maybe a back test of your trading range right here, and maybe the price that is in a sign of strength moment, and from here really you can expect anything. You can also see something like a double bottom forming right here, right? Not paying too much attention to it because we've got bigger events happening in the market which can actually change at any moment. So these things right here, there isn't really a specific direction you could actually be saying this is the one, right? So yeah, we have been following these structures 1:1 up until this point, and we have got crazy volatility showing up in the market. So it's really difficult to be anticipating what exactly is happening right here, because to be honest, I really don't know what the Fed is going to be doing, what the CPI numbers are going to be looking like. But when we take a look at the price chart, from a bigger time frame perspective, we can actually see that we are stuck in a range right here, and this is the most dangerous a place to be taking any action if you are a trader, because you can see that we are sitting right between the middle of a major support level right here and a major resistance level. So this is actually called the dumb money zone. Really risky in here. It's really difficult because you can see that there's a 50% chance that like either way can happen right here, right? I don't see us continuing further sideways right here, because the price that has to break in one way or the other. So going back to the shorter time frame right here, let me quickly pick the 4-hourly time frame, and what we notice here with the 4-hourly time frame is we've got a specific pattern that is actually developing right here, right? Which really isn't something that isn't too good right here, because look at this, we've got higher lows being set right here, but we also have got something here, like we've got these converging lines here, and this forms something like a rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern. Sorry, the falling wedge is the one which is bullish. So this one right here, the price target, the technical price target would be something like $96, $95 thereabout right here. It's not something that I'm going to be worried too much about, because we are also coming into confluence with our major line of support there, right? So yeah, the price target can actually be reached, and we would have to see what happens when we get back down to these levels right here, because this is our major support level right here. As I mentioned, we are stuck in a range at the moment, and it remains to be seen where the price is going to take us, because we've got an event that is going to come, actually 2 of them. So yeah, these are the things that I see with the Quant price at the moment. There isn't much to say, but yeah, if you like the content, don't forget to dedicately tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, share the video with your friends and family. But remember, this is not financial advice. This is just my own opinion and my own point of view. So yeah, I would have to see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.